My new luggage set that I ordered from my favorite spot. Yeah, let me get this open so I can show y'all. Okay, y'all, so your girl's going on vacation this summer, family vacation. We go on vacation every year in July, so I ordered me a new luggage set from Amazon, and I can't wait to see it. I got a couple other things too. Hi. You say hi? Say hi. He said no. You gonna say hi? Oh well. I gave you your chance. Bye. I don't feel like getting my tripod. Yeah, I can't wait to go on vacation, get out of here. But I need to take more vacations than just waiting for July to come, to be honest. Sick of not doing nothing. Sick of it. So, this luggage had like, I think 5 stars. And the reviews were great. I go by the reviews also. Yeah. All right. I'll be back when I finish opening it. Can't wait. Yep. What happened? They called my flight? Okay. Come on, y'all. They called our flight. Let's go. Can't wait. Can't wait. So this is how it's supposed to look, y'all. Let's see. Can y'all see it? Like that. So today is the first day that I've been able to wear these and try them, because ever since my last video, she hasn't done it. So today's the first day, and it doesn't cancel the noise totally, but it really quiets it down, hitting my eardrum. So I would say they are working a little bit. Not a whole lot, but they're working. And give it some more time. I just put them in. I only had them in for about 10 minutes. All right. That's my review.